Hey, I'm Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're doing pan-seared pork chops with romesco potatoes, and I think it's going to be really delicious. Something about this recipe feels like a hearty dinner in Spain. We have our juicy seared pork chop, our melt-in-your-mouth crispy potatoes. It all goes perfect together, and this romesco sauce is the perfect addition to this beautiful recipe. If this recipe sounds like something that you want to try, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future recipe videos. This recipe is incredibly simple. It's only made with 5 ingredients, so it's really easy. We're gonna get started by putting our potatoes in the oven to roast, and then we're gonna sear our pork chops on both sides for a few minutes until they're golden brown. Put everything together with our romesco sauce, some fresh parsley, and it's that simple, you all. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to our potatoes, and of course, season them with a little bit of salt. Toss it together, and we're adding it straight to our baking tray. We're gonna spread our potatoes into an even layer to ensure even and crispy cooking, and then we're gonna put them right in the oven. We're gonna add a nice glug of olive oil into our pan. I'm gonna season both sides of my pork chop with salt. We'll do salt side down first and sear our pork chop. Then I'm going to put my potatoes into the same pan to soak up all those juices and toss it around. And then I'm going to add my romesco into the potatoes. Look at that beautiful sauce. And then I'm going to throw in my parsley, mix it with the potatoes and sauce. Finally, I'm going to nestle my pork chops into the potatoes. And you can serve it just like this. Okay, we have our saucy potatoes, our seared pork chops. It looks amazing and it smells even better. To finish everything off, I'm going to do a drizzle of our romesco sauce right on top of those pork chops because you can never have enough sauce. Look at that pretty red color. It doesn't get better than this, you all. And then one of my faves, a pinch of flaky sea salt. And finally, we're gonna add some fresh parsley on top to give it a beautiful green color. And that's it, dinner is served. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.